Today we're going to talk about something that might be lurking in your home without you even knowing it. Are you aware of the invisible threats that could be affecting the air you breathe every day? The air we breathe plays a crucial role in our daily lives, and poor indoor air quality can lead to a range of health issues. One common problem that many households face is the presence of mold in indoor environments. Mold thrives in damp and dark areas, and if left unchecked, it can significantly affect the air quality in your home. This can trigger allergies, respiratory problems, and other health issues. O2 mold testing specializes in identifying mold issues and assessing indoor air quality. Their expert team uses advanced techniques to detect mold accurately and provide solutions to improve the air quality in your home. By addressing mold issues promptly, you can prevent potential health issues and create a safer environment for you and your family. In summary, O2 mold testing offers a comprehensive solution to improve indoor air quality and overall well-being. So, if you're concerned about the air quality in your home, I highly recommend scheduling a mold testing appointment with O2 mold testing. Take charge of your indoor air quality and prioritize your health. And don't forget to share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Contact us today at 888-202-1680